Hi, my name is Carlos Cordova. I'm the president at Sherpa Marketing Solutions here in Los Angeles. We are an advertising agency that's been working with the city of Los Angeles, supporting the rollout of RAMP, the procurement platform that has just been launched by the city. I'd like to share with you some of the experience that we've had working with the city and also why your business should also register on RAMP. RAMP is the new procurement platform where small businesses like ourselves and large companies can register for free. The website is rampla.org. When a small business registers on RAMP, they will start receiving procurement opportunities based on the business codes that they have. We are an advertising and marketing agency. We will receive notifications of opportunities in this area. A construction company will receive procurement opportunities based on their field and their areas of specialization. There's about 60,000 entities in RAMP, and we're all collaborating and we're all benefiting by having visibility with City of Los Angeles buyers for all kinds of different products and services. What's also exciting about RAMP and what makes it unique in the country is that not only are there opportunities with the City of Los Angeles, but there's also opportunities with other public agencies, City of Long Beach, Los Angeles School District, and also with private organizations like Cedars-Sinai or AEG Entertainment. Another advantage of participating in RAMP is that it's a tool to help grow the size of your business. We have benefited by pursuing and pitching contract opportunities with the city and other entities, and they have helped us grow our business and grow the amount of work that we're doing. There's also some really exciting activities coming up with the city. In 2026, we have the World Cup that's going to be here. In 2028, we have the Olympics and the Paralympics. That means that there's going to be a lot of investment coming into the city. And a lot of it is going to be posted on RAMP. What we also like about RAMP is that it lists who the buyers are, who the contact people are that are making the decisions to post these opportunities. Participating in the RAMP platform has been a great opportunity for us. And if your business wants to grow, if you want to have opportunities with the city or other entities, you can go to rampla.org and register. There's no cost to set up a profile and start engaging with opportunities with the city of Los Angeles. Good luck.